Hey friends, if the commute is long or maybe you want to farther afield for the weekend and explore by bike, don't worry, 吕布 Ebike Kit is here to save your legs. 吕布 Ebike Kit not equal to electric vehicle. The premise for its function is that you need to pedal the bicycle yourself. Then the battery and the motor will provide you with additional power. With the cycling crazy these years, electric bike kits are also gradually entering everyone's daily life. I recently tried an electric bike kit from China, 吕布 Ebike Kit. The appearance can be selected in red, blue, black. I experienced KF series today. A minimalist cattle body, simplicity of operator. Turn on the Bluetooth display. Pedal and electric assist. It easily reaches 30 kilometers. The 吕布 Ebike Kit is more flexible than an electric bike, less effort than a bicycle. It helps you ride farther and easier. 吕布 Ebike Kit, do you want to own? Whether it's an expensive bike or a cost-effective bike, can install 吕布 Ebike Kit. Excellent quality and reasonable price. Come and feel your fun riding.